We just had the exhaustingest time of our life.
Oh my gosh, that trail was way too hard for us. All right, good. This week we are doing a father-son motorcycle and camping trip to Barnwell Mountain, and we decided to record some of our adventures, to document them, and to encourage people to get outside and enjoy the outdoors. On a trip like this, half the fun is getting all the gear ready. My kids love prepping the camp gear, planning our meals, and thinking about all the things we may or may not need. This was our first time going to Barnwell Mountain, so we didn't know exactly what to take. All we knew is that there was primitive camping and some good trail riding for motorcycles. All right, so we're finally on the road, heading for broad time out at Barnwell Mountain for the first time. Axe Daddy, you ready?
Yeah.
Novak, you ready?
Yeah.
What are you guys looking forward to?
Ranger bikes.
Dirt bikes? I'm looking forward to the camping and relaxing.
Dirt bikes, camping, making fires, and roasting marshmallows.
All of it, huh? Ooh, I forgot marshmallow stuff. We need to stop and get some.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Bye, Dad.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Oh yeah. So we were going along fine, but then Axel had to poop.
No, pee.
Oh, pee, sorry. So now we're making a Buc-ee stop, but good thing they got clean restrooms. One successful Buc-ee stop. I only spent $213. All right, what'd you guys get? Gatorade? Good. Drink it as fast as you can so we can make another potty stop in about 10 minutes.
Do it.
All right, looks like we're gonna be setting up camp in the dark, but we'll make it work. Oh yeah, where are we? Made it. For this trip, the boys wanted to try sleeping in hammocks. Wasn't sure how well it was gonna work out, so I brought a tent just in case. But it turns out they loved the hammock sleeping, and they were comfortable and warm all night long. Back in this tiny fire. All right, good. Good. We are cooking hot dogs. Got yours about done right. Looking good. Yeah, it's good to me. So how's yours looking? A little burned. It's good to me. All right, let's get some cheese and some chili. All right, what's going on? First bite of this chili cheese dog. Good? All right, so I slept pretty good last night. Let's go see what the boys got into.
What do you think, dude?
Cool.
How'd you sleep in there?
Good.
Were you cold?
Kinda.
What's this dude? Still waking up? You know where you're at right now?
What?
Do you know where you're at right now?
Campsite.
Right, nice. Well, should we get some breakfast started?
Yeah.
All right.
Today we're starting the fire up, putting some logs on so it can start up. And Dad is making the coffee right now.
Oh yeah. You gonna have some?
No.
You don't want coffee?
No.
Dude, it'll make you feel better. Oh yeah. Man, Novak's doing good with that fire.
nice.
All right. Step number 1,
Cut it.
cut open the sausage packet. You're gonna need a bigger hole than that.
Oh, but I like it.
All right. Squeeze.
It's like a big poop.
Blink. Nice.
All the eggs.
Oh yeah. Get ready
Done.
for burritos.
Burrito. Egg burritos. Good, good. Okay. Oh yeah. Awesome. That's gonna be good.
I'll break those yolks up. Good. All right, you're about ready to turn down your heat. Novak, go ahead and put your tortillas on the edges. There you go. Good. 1, 2, and 3. Good.
Burritos.
Novak, come get your burrito over here.
Okay. Yep,
And
so
we got
he's
the
adding
burrito.
the cheese.
Cheese. It's gonna be so tasty.
So very much.
Now for the first bite. Don't spill it.
Dun, 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 dun. It comes down to this moment. Oh, really good.
Start them up. All right, let's do it. Barnwell Mountain was awesome. We went there for the motorcycle trails, but found an incredible place to camp and hang out. Axel and Novak loved exploring the woods and cooking over the fire. Barnwell has over 1,800 acres of trail area. There's lots of trails for every level of rider. We're still new to motorcycles, so we were in over our heads a few times.
Here comes Novak. Coming up the hill. You got it! You can do it!
But it made for a fun adventure. Most of the trails we stayed on were wide enough for Jeeps and side-by-sides, but they also have a ton of single-track motorcycle trails as well. The boys loved it. This right here is the playground area for Jeeps or motorcycles, whatever. The boys really liked it because it had a lot of sand to ride around in. And this right here is one of the cool little trails that we found. Steep but pretty smooth for the motorcycles, so not too hard for the boys. This right here is kind of the main road that goes through the whole park, and all the different trails kind of split off from that area. I think this trail was called Over the Hill, and it was pretty challenging. My one boy made it up all right, but the other one I had to get his bike up for him. Boys loved riding through these puddles right here. Up.
Yeah. Here comes my dad.
This park was really well maintained. All the bathrooms were nice. You can see there. The cabins looked pretty cool. I'd like to try that sometime. But overall, there wasn't much trash anywhere. The entire park was really well maintained, and the staff was really friendly.
We just had the exhaustingest time of our life.
Oh my gosh, that trail was way too hard for us.
Look at this. All of these rocks.
That's right. It was insane. Now I'm smoked.
And he says break time.
Break time. Yeah, we gotta take a breather.
He is going in the puddle. Oh yeah.
This right here is one of the many pavilions that they have. I think they have like 5 or 6 different bigger camps like that you can reserve and stay at, or you can pretty much camp wherever you want. as far as I understand it. I think we stayed at the one called the Rover Camp, and it's maintained by a group of Rover owners, and they weren't there that weekend, so we stayed at that camp.
Packing up. Dad's packing up all of our stuff.
Overall, this was an awesome trip. We only spent one night there, and I think you probably would be better off spending maybe 2 or 3 nights there. They're only open Thursday through Sunday, so you're kind of limited on some of the days that you can go. But we did it in just one night, and we had a blast. All right, just got home. Long trip home, a lot of traffic.
Yeah, a lot.
Can't see you guys at all.
A lot.
Your light turned off.
My light's good.
But anyways, it was a great trip, and we're excited about the next one.
Yes.
That's a wrap. Hopefully you guys liked our adventure. Leave a comment if you guys have a suggestion for our next adventure, or if you have a fun memory that you did when you were a kid.